Okay, today I will let you know guys how to check on the WRF installation. Because last time a lot of guys had the issues with the WRF installation. First thing, the WRF installation you need to have at least more than uh, more than uh, 60 GB of storage space in your C drive where you like to install your Linux. And the other thing, if you are going to run the simulation, it will create some additional files. For those files also, you need to have some additional storage space. That means at least you need to have like a closer to 80 or 100 GB free space in your local disk C. Otherwise, you cannot go ahead and do the installation of this WRF model. So for this one, you just need to go back into your Ubuntu terminal, and then if you go into your Ubuntu terminal, if you type ls, you should see build WRF. So now you have to cd, that means you have changed the directory into build WRF. Now if you hit ls, you will see now you are inside this build WRF directory. Okay, now to check the copy the command, I do have the command which I installed over there. Let me put this in on the text file. Okay, first command is you have to wget this one. From this command, I will give you the command as well. First thing, you have to do the wget, and then you have to do permission thing, and last thing is you have to run the. So first thing, just copy this line. I will put it in the description link below and paste it over there. So it will download the test script file into your directory. If you hit ls now, you should see uh, this file. You should see this run check WRF .sh file. Next thing is you have to give the permission. You have to give the permission for this file. That means chmod +x run check WRF file. So now you give the permission, and then you have to run the file using /, or you can copy the third command, paste over there in your terminal, and hit enter. Now it will check. So if you see the first part out of 6, that means now is saying all the executable files which is need to run the WRF installation, WRF model is successfully installed over there in your root directory. You should see like geogrid.exe, ungrid.exe, makegrid.exe under WPS, and then you need to have two additional models, mean like real.exe and WRF.exe in this WRF 4.5 AWR directory. If you didn't see these files, you cannot run WRF at all. So double check your installation as I described in the early video and come back to this stage. So to run this one, it's actually going to do a simple simulation. So it will download some dataset. If the dataset is not there, then it will start downloading the data, and then it will start running WPS and like setting your geogrid and like tables, and then doing the reading command and make grid command. After that, it will start doing the real simulation using the real.exe, and this one is going to do like simple 12-hour simulation of the hurricane Matthews, I think, which happened in US. So it will take some time for the simulation based on the specification of your PC. So you have to wait till this finish. and after that it should load up the result in NCView, because NCView command also we discussed in the class how you can like view the netcdf file for the output using the NCView command. So after the simulation finish, it should pop up the result of your simulation. So if you can like run this script without any issue, that means your WRF installation is okay. If you have some issues, you can like comment them underneath this video so we can like see what are the issues that you guys are having. But main thing is like you have to do your installation in your own PC. Okay, now the simulation results are there. If I go there into the 4D variables, in this one, I will go into the 4D variables and like view the pressure. I click on P. So now I can see the pressure, how it's varying. So one by one I can see. Even like other variables are over there, like component of the wind. How the U component of the wind is varying alongside hurricane moving. So that means you can like run the WRF simulation, because this is the output file of the WRF model which were run in your PC. So if you see this one, that means your WRF installation is okay. Otherwise, if you guys have any questions or anything, just comment underneath below so we can like focus on those issues and try to resolve those issues before the next class, because you guys need to have this model installed if you are going to proceed with your research, or if you need to learn more about WRF model, you have to install this one in your PC, because we cannot allocate a class to install this one, because to install the WRF model it will take 3 or more hours. So try to follow the first video, the steps in the first video, and do the installation properly, and then try to run this script using these given commands. First you have to run this wget command and then chmod command, and then following by running the given script.